Hey, what's up guys? Got another video here on accounting for your insurance agency. It's one of the most important pieces of the puzzle because it's where the money comes in. So I'm going to give you guys the essentials, and I'm going to give you the essentials here on what you need, what systems you might have to have, and what you can do to keep your accounting tight and structured and organized. So let's dive into it. Main things that you need, essentials for your agency. Number one thing, and this is where people get a little confused, you need a trust account and an operating bank account. So those are two bank accounts essentially, and you can go to your Standard Chase, Wells Fargo, Comerica, whatever bank you decide to go, and you ask them to open up two business checking accounts, and one will be named a trust account and one will be named an operating account. So I'll dive into that a little more. Another thing that you need is QuickBooks. Some basic bookkeeping on QuickBooks. We hire somebody to do the bookkeeping because I hate that stuff. But QuickBooks is a great way. It connects all your stuff. And I'll dive into that a little more. Another piece of the puzzle is your management system. It runs reports based on commissions when you punch in premiums and whatnot for the business. So your management system, there's a bunch of them out there. We use EasyLinks. It's pretty good. And then the last thing that you might need is Excel. So I'll dive into more of that, but Excel is very important because it helps you just track manually a bunch of accounting stuff. So that's more of a manual data entry. But to go a little deeper, trust and operating account. These are, like I said, two basic bank, business checking accounts. And the reason for having two, I'll explain, is because your trust account, as you guys know, as you may know, there's money that comes into the agency with commissions. And I'll give you an example. Your commission comes in, let's just say it's an $1,000 commission for an auto insurance policy. It should go into your trust account first. That's where the money and the commission kind of sits. Let's just say, after 6 months, this is a 1-year policy. After 6 months that client decides to cancel. Now you have $600 that you need to give, or I'm sorry, $500 that you need to give back because they didn't earn the whole full year of that commission, if that makes sense. So 6 months halfway through, you owe 50% of that back because they canceled halfway through. So that $1,000 is kind of sits in this account because it's not earned yet. So the operating account on the other side is where that's money that's been earned. So you move kind of money from your trust account to your operating account. Also very important for non-standard companies, they pay full premiums into these trust accounts. So people will pay you for the full year of their insurance into this trust account. And that's kind of where the money sits. Meanwhile, you pay the company, and that's a whole other topic for non-standard carriers. So I won't get too deep into that, but let me know if you have questions on that. QuickBooks, very, very important. Like I said, it automatically tracks expenses, cash flow, profit and loss, balance sheets, all different types of accounting reports that are super important. Know your numbers, guys, because if you don't know your numbers, you're running a business that's just up in the air. Know your numbers, be aware, know your profit and loss for the year. It helps with taxes. Your accountant will love you for having QuickBooks. And then, your management system. This is another one. The management system is very important. It helps, like I said, commission tracking. You can run reports on your premium volume, your commission volume. So that one's important. And then the last one for me, Excel is my best friend. I love Excel. I'm a bit of a control freak. Like I need to have the hands-on, I know my numbers and I need to be able to know okay, that's accurate. Sometimes the management system might pull a report that's slightly inaccurate and that kind of drives me nuts. So I need to know my numbers and I like to be able to have control. So you code kind of premium, commissions, you run full reports like this is how much we made this month. I like to have a little more hands-on, even though I'm using all the other stuff. So those are my thoughts. A couple tips on accounting. Main thing, biggest question is usually that operating in the trust account. So if anybody has more questions or if there's other stuff you want to know, happy to help. Shoot me a quick email. You can also click the link at chriscostantini.com. You can check us out and schedule a call or reach out to me directly. Happy to answer anything. Leave a comment below. And please, guys, if you get any value, please give us a like. Please subscribe. so we can continue making quality content for you guys. And also, shout out to this shirt. If you guys want one of these shirts, we custom made them. We put "See you at the top" on the back. So if you guys want one, let me know. Right now we're selling them for $19. So if you're from YouTube, let me know and we'll give you a discount. We'll give it to you guys for like $14. Just as much as it costs to make them. So we'll send it to you guys and just let me know if you guys are interested. Happy to help out, and let me know if there's anything we can do to help. And we'll see you guys at the top. See you guys soon.